So, a lot of you want to know if coconut oil is bad for you and does it clog pores. I'll be explaining it in this video, okay? So if you're visiting my channel for the first time, it's good to have you here. My name is CHIKA. I am a certified esthetician and my channel is about skin care. Okay, so if you want to become part of this family, make sure you click the subscribe button and subscribe. Okay, subscription is free, so you subscribe and hit on the bell button, okay, so that you don't miss any new video, any new uploads on my channel, any updates, anything that is happening, you'll be notified. Don't forget to click the like button and like this video and share this video to as many people as you can. Okay, thank you so much. And for my regular visitors, mwah, I appreciate you. I love you so much. Now let's talk about coconut oil. It's a very popular ingredient. It's a very popular skincare product. It's very good for hair though. Yeah, it's very good for hair. But we're talking about skin today. Is it bad for your skin? Does it clog your pores? Well, coconut oil, I wouldn't really say that it's bad. Okay. Every ingredient is not inherently bad. Okay. But coconut oil is classified as a comedogenic product. So when something is comedogenic, it means that it will clog your pores. Yes, it will clog pores. Now, coconut oil is 4 on a comedogenic level. So when it comes to comedogenic, when it comes to rating, it ranges from 0 to 5. So 0 meaning is unlikely to clog your pores, but coconut oil is on a rating of 4. That means that it will clog pores. So what do I recommend? And how do I recommend that you use it? I wouldn't really say I would recommend, but I probably will advise people with oily and acne prone skin to stay away from using coconut oil, especially on their face. Yes, because it's comedogenic. It will clog your pores. It will make your skin produce more oil because it doesn't add moisture to your skin. I'll come to that later. Okay, now acne prone skin, oily skin, do not use it. It's going to cause your pores to clog more and it will break you out. That's not what you want. That's not what you want. Another thing is, a lot of people tell me that they use coconut oil on their face because it moisturizes their skin and it protects their skin from the sun. No. Coconut oil does not moisturize the skin and it doesn't hydrate your skin. The reason is because coconut oil is an oil, and oil does not add water to your skin. It doesn't have any moisture. It's an oil. It will make your skin soft though. Yeah, it can make your skin soft, but it will not moisturize your skin. Moisturizers are emollients that have water content, and anything that has water content will hydrate your skin and will moisturize your skin. So using coconut oil alone on your skin will not moisturize your skin because it's an oil, and oil does not moisturize your skin. Oil will make your skin soft. It can make your skin very, very soft, but it will not moisturize it. So if you're someone with dry skin, you're looking for something to moisturize your skin, coconut oil is not your savior. Look for a good moisturizing product that has high water content. Okay, for those of you applying applying coconut oil on your skin thinking it will protect your skin from the sun, hell no. Hell no. Coconut oil cannot protect your skin from the sun. Okay, so you need to look for a sunscreen to apply on your skin to protect your skin from the sun. Do not lather coconut oil on your face thinking you're using moisturizer on your face. Thinking, oh, I'm using moisturizer, it's coconut oil, it's going to moisturize my skin. Using it alone cannot moisturize your skin. You can put it on any homemade, or body cream, or you can put it on like you can use it for scrubs. I even have a video coming on very soon. A very, very beautiful and nice do I put it, very good body scrub. I use coconut oil in that body scrub. The video will be coming out soon, maybe in a couple of days, and it's about body scrub that will keep your skin glowing, bright and young looking, because this channel is all about looking good and glowing skin. So for those of you that wants to know about coconut oil, what exactly does it do to your skin? This is what it does to your skin. It only makes your skin soft, but it doesn't moisturize your skin, it doesn't protect your skin from the sun. Oil and acne prone skin, I will not recommend you to use it. Okay, so I hope I've covered everything you want to know about coconut oil when it comes to skin. I'm not talking about hair or skin. You can use it on your hair. Yes, it is good for hair. You can use it on your hair. Okay. If you have any other question, or you want me to cover any other topic, okay, leave your comment below in the comment section and I will surely reply you. Okay. Now, my favorite people, remember, when you treat your skin right, your skin will treat you right. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Share this video, like and subscribe. Okay, thank you so much.